Welcome to the Hill and Viteri Property Market Roundup for the April to June quarter of 2022. This quarter was always going to be a tricky one in real estate, with April having Easter and Anzac Day long weekends, forming another Christmas-type hiatus in the market. In addition, there was a federal election that was a distraction. These two interruptions in a market that was already losing confidence, but masked what was really happening. As discussed in our previous market wraps, conditions have been shifting and a surge in supply combined with negative media and tighter lending saw buyer confidence dented. This has been further exacerbated by inflationary pressures that have seen the cost of living rise, as well as the RBA sharply increasing the official cash rate. So, what has been the impact on property prices? The housing market has certainly seen a change, with sellers finding it more difficult to sell, with buyers sitting on the sidelines now having the fear of paying too much, as opposed to the 2021 fear of missing out. Now, despite all the doom and gloom in the media, our team of experienced agents are still helping our clients move. Some examples include 18 DeBarter Street, Engadine, which sold at auction for $1,411,000. 3 bidders participated in the auction with a total of 19 bids. The modest 4-bedroom house in central Engadine sold for $11,000 over reserve. 5 4th Avenue Loftus sold at auction for $1,430,000. 2 registered with 1 active at auction with a total of 5 bids. This original 3-bedroom house in central Loftus sold for $30,000 over reserve. Now, you can certainly see the number of bidders and the amount over reserve has significantly changed in this quarter. Michael Verley, our auctioneer from MVP, reported the clearance rate for the quarter was 68%. This was down from 81% in the previous quarter. Michael reported on average that were 3.7 bidders registered for auctions in this period, which was down from an average of 4.9 last quarter. Michael also noted that 25% of properties were sold prior to auction, which bolstered the clearance rate. In the strata market, we continue to see good sale prices, but the number of sales are declining. Darren Hill sold 10 at 60 to 62 Toronto Parade in Sutherland for $1,154,000. Sean Donovan also sold 5 at 122 Cura Road for $1,220,000. So I would say we are currently in a normal balanced market, but we are transitioning towards a buyer's market at present. In regards to the rental market, our head of property management and partner Lee Anderson advises that demand continues to be strong. Rental prices are rising and the vacancy rates are still at record lows. 18B Rawson Parade, Caringbah and 2 Lamia Street in Cronulla, both leasing for $1,250 per week, which are examples of tenants paying a premium for good locations and more space. Lee also noted that investors should consider returning to the market. Prices at present are presenting great value for money and rents are surging, so these conditions are fantastic for investors. If you are considering selling or leasing property and you'd like to discuss the process or value of your property, please feel free to give the team a call or contact us via the website. Thank you for taking the time to watch our quarterly market roundup. As always, if you have any questions about real estate, please feel free to reach out to myself or the team.